Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how I dealt with this lawn. You can see it's really overgrown. I'm first going to strim it using the Hyundai Multi Tool and then run a mower over it. The lawn it had tufts, it wasn't very flat. It had loads of brambles as well, which in the bushes, which I'll get out a little bit later on. But yeah, so I just thought I'd record it all, and you can see um, how it works, especially the Hyundai Multi Tool for those of you who might be interested in getting one yourselves. This has just got the strimmer wire on. I didn't bother with the metal brush cutter blade, but as you can see, it goes through it really well. So yeah, I'll just let you watch the video, and any questions or comments, pop them below. And thanks for watching. So yeah, coming to the end of the video now. So the customer just wanted it trimmed and cut back to something resembling a normal lawn. I'm going back in a couple of weeks to give it another cut because this was quite wet, but obviously it was quite desperate for a cut. So back in a couple of weeks, get the box on the back of the mower and get all the grass up and give it a lower cut, and hopefully it should be looking quite good after that. So thanks for watching anyway. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for similar videos. And yeah, as I say, any questions or comments, just pop them below.